When you're buying a car, horsepower and screens are fun, but let's be honest, what most of us really want is a car that lasts. Something that doesn't fall apart once the loan is paid off. Something that can hit 200,000 miles and keep going. Today, we're breaking down the cars most likely to last 200,000 miles or more, based on Consumer Reports data, which draws on hundreds of thousands of real owners' reports, not marketing claims or hype. If long-term reliability matters to you, especially if you're buying used, this is one video you don't want to miss. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why Consumer Reports is such a strong source. Consumer Reports doesn't rely on press cars or manufacturer partnerships. Their reliability rankings are based on annual owner surveys, in which people report real problems they've had: engine issues, transmission failures, electrical gremlins, and more. When Consumer Reports says a car is likely to last 200,000 miles, that means a significantly higher percentage of owners actually made it there, not just once, but across many model years. And when you look at their data year after year, very clear patterns emerge. According to Consumer Reports, long-lasting vehicles tend to share a few key traits. 1. Proven powertrains that haven't been rushed to market. 2. Fewer complex systems that fail over time. 3. Strong reliability across multiple generations, not just one good year. And 4, importantly, owners who maintain them. Consumer Reports is very clear about one thing: a reliable car isn't a maintenance-free car. Oil changes, fluid services, brakes, suspension, all of that still matters. But some cars are simply far more forgiving than others when it comes to age and mileage. Here's something that surprises absolutely no one. Toyota, Honda, and Lexus absolutely dominate this list. That doesn't mean every single model from these brands is perfect, but it does mean they consistently produce vehicles that age better than most. Now let's get into the top vehicles Consumer Reports says are most likely to hit 200,000 miles or more. We'll start with sedans because despite SUVs taking over the market, sedans still quietly win when it comes to longevity. 1. Toyota Camry. The Camry is widely regarded as the gold standard for long-term reliability. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it near the top for reliability, and it's one of the vehicles most commonly reported to have reached 200,000 miles. 2. Honda Accord. Alongside the Camry, the Accord has decades of data supporting it. Owners report strong engines, solid transmissions, and fewer major failures compared to competitors. 3. Toyota Corolla. If you want simple and durable, this is it. The Corolla doesn't try to be flashy, and that's exactly why it lasts. 4. Honda Civic, another compact that just keeps going. Consumer Reports data shows Civics regularly exceed 200K when properly maintained. 5. Toyota Avalon. Often overlooked, the Avalon combines Camry-level reliability with a bit more comfort, and it shows excellent long-term durability. Now let's talk about something people still get wrong: hybrids. Consumer Reports data show that some hybrids are more reliable over the long term. 1. Toyota Prius. The Prius is one of the most proven hybrids ever made. The hybrid system has been refined over decades, and owners regularly report extremely high mileage with minimal drivetrain issues. Hybrid batteries do eventually age, but Consumer Reports notes that failures are far less common than people expect, especially in Toyotas. SUVs dominate the market today, and some of them absolutely earn their reputation for longevity. 1. Toyota RAV4. One of the most reliable compact SUVs on the road. Consumer Reports consistently rates it above average, and it frequently appears on high-mileage lists. 2. Honda CR-V. A longtime favorite for families, the CR-V combines practicality with excellent long-term reliability. 3. Toyota Highlander. If you need 3 rows but still want longevity, the Highlander is one of the safest bets according to Consumer Reports. And 4. Lexus RX. Luxury without luxury level problems. Built on Toyota reliability, the RX stands out for aging gracefully. A couple of categories people don't talk about enough when it comes to longevity. 1. Toyota Sienna. Minivans rack up miles, and the Sienna handles it better than most. Consumer Reports data shows strong durability, even under heavy family use. 2. Honda Odyssey. Another long-lasting family hauler. When maintained, Odysseys are known to cross 200,000 miles without major drivetrain failures. 3. Toyota Tacoma. If you want a truck that refuses to die, this is it. The Tacoma consistently ranks among the most durable vehicles ever tested by Consumer Reports. And 4. Toyota Tundra. Same story here, fewer flashy updates, more mechanical consistency. Consumer Reports also gives a few important warnings. 1. Avoid brand new redesigns if long-term reliability is your priority. 2. Check maintenance records, even reliable cars can be neglected. 3. High mileage alone isn't bad, poor maintenance is. They also stress that no car is guaranteed to hit 200,000 miles. But choosing models with strong historical reliability dramatically improves your odds. If your goal is a car that lasts well beyond the loan, Consumer Reports makes one thing clear: longevity isn't about luck. It's about choosing vehicles with proven reliability, simple engineering, and strong owner track records. And year after year, the same names keep showing up: Toyota, Honda, and Lexus, because boring, well-engineered cars tend to live very long lives. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know. Are you shopping for a car that lasts, or are you already driving one that just won't quit?